So hello friends, myself Hum and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Hum. Today I will tell you the specifications of Mi 10i. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Mi 10i are Snapdragon 750G, 6.67 inches Full HD Plus display, 120Hz fast refresh rate, 108 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 4820 mAh battery, 33 watt fast charging, MIUI 12 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Mi 10i. There are 3 storage variants of Mi 10i: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. There are 3 color variants of Mi 10i: blue color, rainbow color and black color. This is the front side of Mi 10i. This is the back side of Mi 10i. The expected launch date of Mi 10i will be in the end of December. In my opinion, the expected price of Mi 10i should be below 22,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.